Good morning, friends. Today is nature. It's a little piece of nature. I just threw some nuts out and seed for the birds and squirrels. Deer weren't out this morning. As you can see, you got a lot of guests running around. I'm not bothering them. Everyone's getting in a little breakfast, little delectable breakfast. They're a little unnerved. They're really acrobats. Somebody had mentioned they're acrobats, and they really are, the squirrels. They're amazing. To see so many different species of birds, different families of birds. Look at this one right here by my window. All getting along. Look at that. This little one's just looking. It's amazed at watching everybody eat their breakfast. There we go. And we have a little one here in the corner, looking a little chunky. It's probably pregnant. It is pregnant. Taking it all in. I love the songs that they sing, all the different variety of birds. I'm nervous that I have a lot of predators out there. There are hawks. We have a family of hawks. It's a windy day. My cat loves, Cleopatra loves sitting by this window. I don't like when they fight, so I scattered it in different areas of my front garden so everyone can be friendly and they don't fight. You want to see them all get along, the birds and the squirrels. Doves, there's some doves, some mourning doves. Chickadees, blue jays. The blue jays were just here. They're probably not coming because I put the shade up. I call it my secret garden. I love it. There's the blue jay. There's cardinals. It's wonderful. Look at that. It's incredible. Some of them are ground feeders. Some of them are tube feeders. You know, there's so many different types of birds, and I kind of just throw it. Some of them I'm shocked even go on the ground that they're generally not, but for so many years they've been coming here. Yeah, we have a visitor from a different house. I just saw him come from across the street. Look at him. Some get a little greedy. I like that. This one's digging away, hiding the nut. Here's the blue jay. They're so beautiful. Sometimes they think they're fussy. Look how they hold it, the squirrels. Isn't that cute? It's lovely to get this close. Have a wonderful day, everybody. It is Wednesday, April 17th, maybe 18th. Ugh. What is it? Today's the 16th. Today's the 16th. Have a wonderful day, everybody. I'm enjoying just the moment, and I'll be heading downstairs. I woke up Cleopatra. I had to grab some cat food for the cat outside, which I noticed now there's another cat outside. There's a gray and a black and white one, a tuxedo they call it. You notice him out there. Oh, we got a fresh one. Got a fresh one. Have a wonderful day. This makes me happy in the morning. They're all over there. I think I saw a crow. I wish I can get a crow on the grass. I love the way they walk. They bob back and forth. It's a long video, but I don't mind. Have a wonderful day, everybody.